Negosyo time na sa DZGB, as in Albay Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Hanap buhay, trabaho, kaaraman sa pagnenegosyo, mga impormasyon para kita mag-asenso. Bagong impormasyon sa sensya as in teknolohiya para sa negosyo. Iyan ang hihimay-himayon sa negosyo time na sa DZGB, as in Albay Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Yes, negosyo time na! Itutok na ang sa inyong mga radyo sa malaman ng mga negosyo tips hali sa mga eksperto. Kaiba ang mga regulasyon kan gobyerno. Sabay na, magnegosyo kita. Negosyo time na sa DZGB, as in Albay Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Kaiba si former DTI Regional Director Diggs Aguilar as in Miss Hanelet Pertiz. Negosyo time na!
Negosyo time na naman po, alas 2 ng hapon, alaw ng Miyerkules. Yaon naman po kita sa programang nagtatao sa tuya ki mga informasyon kung paano mas mapadali ang pagpuon, ang pag-sustainer, as in ang pagmantiner kang sa tuya mga negosyo. Digdi po, minaimbitar kita ki mga eksperto sa indang areas of operations or areas of concern para po kung ano man ang mga problema na inagihan ninda, ma-share sa tuyang mga paradangog na mga negosyante o gusto magnegosyo para po mas mapadali ang satong pagnenegosyo. Sabi ta nga ni, gusto tang mas mapaugma ang pagnenegosyo sa Legazpi, sa Albay at Sintagabos na Bicol Region. Hindi po dara sa tuya kang Albay Chamber of Commerce and Industry as in ang DCGBAM. Kaya riba ko man po giraray si Hanilet.
Yes po, maray na hapon po mga kanegosyo. Time na Miyerkules na naman po, mag-iiribahan kita sa Laog Kisarong Oras. So ngunyan po, very excited po kita Sir Diggs and mga kanegosyo time na kasi po ang satuyang guests, very timely po ang sa iyang discussion and maski short notice, giraray kitang nagyas po sa tuya. Pero kung ngunyan po, i-greet ko man gararay po ang mga kanegosyo time na maski sa man po kitang sulok, sana permi kitang maugma, inspirado po kan sa tuyang pagbuhay-buhay. Ang sa tuya po na guest ngunyan, for sure dakulon po kamo nga makukuha na informasyon as in mas magiging ready kita pag abot sa pagnenegosyo.
Tama yan, kasi sa pagnenegosyo bako man lang gabos yan na dilin siya gabos kita. In fact, there are so many challenges na pwedeng agihan para ma-mantener o at least maiwasan ang pagkalugi kung bako man na ma-mantener ang profitable operations.
Correct.
Kaya puwanta po ining hampangon kasi we cannot do away with it. We cannot do away lalo na with nature or even man-made na mga pangyayari.
Yeah.
So kaya puwanta talaga ining hampangon if we want to stay in business. So tama-tama sabi mo ni Kasubago, very timely.
Yes po, Sir
Ang
Diggs.
topic na ini kasi nagarubaga na experience hanta maski sa ina parte garo igwang kalamidad.
Oo.
Disaster na nangyayari.
Oo, iyo.
And definitely ning disaster affects our business operation.
Yes,
so
yes.
siguro anileti pabisto tanang sa tuyang bisita ngunyan
Opo,
na
sir,
hapon.
opo, maray na hapon giraray. Ngunyan po, ang satuya pong bisita, saro po siyang seasoned DRR CCA practitioner. Saro man po siyang DOLE Occupational Safety and Health Certified Safety Officer. And syempre, RHQ Manager kang Greenhouse Philippines. Tapos Dietrich Consultant. Warang iba po, miyembro din sindak kang Albay Chamber of Commerce and Industry si Miss Gigi Ventanilla Benoyo. Maray na hapon, Miss Gigi.
Yeah, maray na hapon sa gabos, lalo na sa mga nagaantabay sa ngunyan, mga kanegosyo, di ba? MSMEs, even large companies. So, good afternoon. And I'm so excited sa opportunity na tinao kang ACCI and kang DCGB.
Syempre
Okay,
po.
good afternoon man and thank you for acceding or accepting our invitation. Sabi nga ni Hanilet, very short notice.
Yes po.
But short notice or dainganing notice pag ang disaster
Kiriblitan
nag-abot.
sana, Sir Diggs.
Nasanay na po
Oo.
sa arog kaya. Yes.
Okay, ang may yapot lang ako. Why of all things, ano ta garo ginusto mo or pinirit mo na digdi ka mag-specialize sa disaster?
Sa disaster.
Ano ang sa imong mga motivations
Nata.
Taligdi
Yeah,
ka
well,
na.
first siguro po, Director Dig, is that I was honed sa Social Action Center, Diocese of Legazpi. Nyaon na duman sa Justice and Peace. Ito ang core values na nag-motivate sa Muya. And we were exposed of different programs and services kang diocese. It just so happened that I was chosen to become a coordinator back then with the late John Abihuro. So, and with Father Jovic and everything, these are all my mentors, and I was given the opportunity to become a scholar at SIACA, Southeast Asian, specializing or understanding the Sphere Project. And very timely that yung Sphere Project, talagang masyado siyang in-emphasize because it was after Riming. So with that incident, we were really thought of becoming more of not just to adapt but rather to become resilient. That's why a lot of programs and services that time, yung talagang paano matulungan tayo bumangon. So and this time, why a disaster is being coordinated or linked to businesses. Because apparently, di ba, Sir Diggs, business is the core. Halos backbone siya ng economy.
Ng economy.
So, yeah. So, this time, parang, of course, of all resources and focus of both local government or national government and even international NGOs, kapag may disaster, hindi naman na-mention yung business. Hindi naman tinitingnan na how are you going to help the business recover after
Despite
the
the fact
disaster.
Oo nga,
na
no.
99.6% kang mga negosyo, MSME.
MSME.
Yes.
Yeah, iyo nga ni.
And just imagine, Sir Diggs and Ma'am Hani, that in a span of 21 to 22 days, there were so many events. From a Typhoon Nando,
Oo nga.
then eventually nagkaigwang earthquake, sunod-sunod. Hindi lang pa to earthquake na 5.5, it's really like, what's that, 6.9?
7.6.
7.6.
So
Sa
these
Davao.
these are really something na we should really be prepared of. Hindi lang structurally,
Yeah.
but the entire community should participate.
Oo.
Parang yun.
And much more ang mga negosyo.
Yes
Yes,
po.
yes, yes.
Kasi if disaster strikes, alam mo naman yung need natin, basics, foods. And if supermarkets are closed, paano tayo? Kaya nga 'di ba, if a lot of you are naka-tune in sa DCGB, laging ini-emphasize the time that sino yung mga bukas na mga malls. Yes, close ang mga department stores and the rest, but the supermarket, drugstores these are key places na the last to close.
To close.
Yeah, to serve
Totoo
the
nga, no.
people. Yeah.
Sila
Kasi
din
yan
ang
ang
una.
basic needs
Oo.
kang
And still
populace.
maintaining the business operation, yet also considering the safety not just of the people, but of course
The
to protect
employees.
our asset as well and
Oo.
the employees.
Alright. Actually, Sir Diggs, i-explain ko lang po sa mga kanegosyo time na we are using sometimes English and Tagalog because we are global. Because Miss Gigi is connected internationally, so they are monitoring the gray mouse. Kumbaga, nandyan sila. So, more power to the listeners, especially global listeners. Sige po. Actually, na-mention, Sir Diggs, ni Miss Gigi yung recent na mga nangyari sa disasters. Starting September 22, sabi niya, ay nagkaigwa kay Typhoon Nando, September 25, Typhoon Opong, and then September 30 naman, nagyanig, 6.9 earthquake doon sa Cebu City. Then October 1 sa Taal Volcano baga, minor eruption. Then October 3 naman, nagkaigwa naman kay Typhoon Paulo. Then October 10, 7.4 or to 7.6 na magnitude doon sa Davao. And then October 11, nagkaigwa ki 5.1 duman sa Zambales. Ay 6 sa Kawit, Kagwait sa Surigao, and October 13 sa Bogo City naman 5.8. So surunudan po talaga, Sir Diggs.
And
Kaya
thousands of aftershocks, right?
Di man kita tigda-takot ang mga listeners ta, pero kay puan kitang magpreparar and maging ready. Kaya yaon po si Miss Gigi para sa iyang good news para sa Sato Gabos. Bako lang sa mga negosyante, kairibahan po ang kadaklan. Sige po.
Yeah, thank you, Ma'am Hani. But before that, siguro, hingi lang ko ng 1 to 2 seconds of silence in solidarity. This is a solidarity prayers for affected residents and yung affected areas ta Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Yes. We are
Okay.
one with you. One with you in a sense na lahat naman tayo concerned na safety ng lahat.
Yes,
Safety
oo.
lang, hindi lang ng tao, but also safety din ng business.
Properties.
Opo. Parang ayaw naman natin mag-end up na yung business mayroong losses. Meron naman talaga because it's part of the risk. Pero kapag disaster yung pinag-uusapan, it has to be balanced, no? So good news that we tried being a practitioner, DRR, CCA practitioner, kasi kasama na po dito yung climate change, is that parang a lot of trainings and technical inputs na yung pinagdaanan namin. And most of the time, these templates are very complex. So being also part of the system ng business, kasi yung Grey Mouse is a BPO, and it is an Australian company.
BPO,
Yes po.
Business Process
Business
Outsourcing.
Processing Outsourcing. In fact, nung na-mention ni Ma'am yung Cebu, right then and then, I immediately called my software or test analyst who is currently based in Cebu.
Oh.
So, kasi kami, sir, parang nasa Albay, but we have teams sa Manila. We also have in Cebu and parts of Bicol.
Across nation.
Yes, meron din.
Wow.
Then we also have in India, Fiji, Australia. So all of these things should sync, especially kung may nakakaranas na disaster. For Philippines, like naka-base kami, why I am emphasizing this, bakit kailangan very eager ako to share is that before pa mag-strike ang any disaster, for example, typhoon, 3 to 4, kasi may trajectory, sir, di ba?
Yes, oo.
So alam
May
natin, if
forecast.
ever
Oo,
like, may
oo.
forecast, if ever like Saturday ang dating
Bagyo.
niya, there is like Wednesday pa lang, naka-monitor na kami up until to pre-position not just the tao, but also our assets, generator,
Equipment.
logistics, and everything. If the government have the advisory to cut parang the cut of
Power
suspension
supply.
of work,
Ah,
suspension
oo,
of
yung
work,
suspension of work.
somebody from our branches like Fiji to cover us. Fiji Island should cover us.
okay.
India should cover us. Not Philippines should not
Talaga.
operate because definitely it's business continuity, sir. We shouldn't stop.
No reason
No
for
reason
the
to
business
stop.
to stop.
Yes, so yun.
It's a crime to
So,
stop.
mangyayari, while you are not in a position to continue the service, other teams
Country.
from other areas where it is not affected by the calamity, siya ang nag-chip in, nagpipits
Yes.
in.
Ganon.
So
oo,
that's
global.
how you
That's part of
translate.
the preparedness and
That's how
that's
you
part of our
translate
emergency
continuity.
risk. Yes. po. Yes. And even the business continuity plus kasama din, sir, ang recovery plan naman siya.
Yes,
Because
oo.
apparently, if I may recall, DOLA just issued a cease and desist order from a few BPOs in Cebu by having an absent of emergency plan. So they don't have, remember po, sir, yung nasa ano to this is part of our law. If I'm not mistaken, it's under the parang RA Republic Act. What was that? 11058, the Occupational Safety and Health Law. So, dapat hindi lang tayo compliant for that. We also live by that
With that
policy.
policy.
And this was also reinforced by the DOLE Department Order 12, the OSH program, wherein doon nakapasok yung emergency preparedness and response. So, dyan mo makikita how prepared the company in terms of Lindol.
Lindol.
There should have like an evacuation plan, evacuation route, mga ganon. Sino yung, kapag may ganito, sino yung dapat na, who calls the shot? Tapos, kaya nga para, sir, na parang meron tayong DRR or emergency plan, but ano ang category nito? Is this stagnant? A mere document?
Document lang
or,
ba?
Or
Kasulatan
compliant
lang.
lang tayo.
Oo
So,
nga.
hindi pwedeng mag-activate ng plan during disaster.
Okay.
It has,
We have to live
can
with
we
that.
go deeper, no?
Oo.
Kasi it's appear that preparedness or resiliency planning is part of the mandate
Mhm.
lalo na sa operational safety, ano yun?
Occupational safety and health.
And
Oo.
health. Other than being a mandate, ano talagang importance niya sa sarong negosyo
Oo.
for our businessmen to appreciate?
Correct.
Definitely, it has to be of business continuity, sir.
Yes,
Kasi
oo.
ang mandate natin is definitely safety,
Yes.
Pero yung safety kasi, sir, lahat tayo nakafocus sa employees or sa tao.
Yes, so.
Diba?
Oo
But
nga,
parang it's
oo
always the least priority that we protect the entire business.
The assets,
It's the
properties.
assets, oo.
Yes. So it has to be factored in from that disaster plan. Kaya po yun nga, being a consultant of Dietrich, madami akong pinag-aralang mga templates. And to be honest, a lot of it are very complex. Complex in a sense, na parang ang daming protocols, sino yung mga uunahin. Parang ang dami, you are waiting for a decision from this and that and that. Ang dapat kasi niyan,
Structural,
sir, is
parang structural. Kailangan mo pang hintayin ang approval nito. Eh, nandiyan na yung disaster, di ba?
yes po. So
Okay.
tama 'yun, Ma'am Honey. So for me for Dietrich, kailangan ko mag-simplify ng process.
Ng process.
Okay.
Kasi kung sa businesses nga meron tayong ease of doing business. Yung mga ano natin steps are parang fused into 3 parts na lang or 2 parts na lang. Parang we don't need a very complex structure just to make sure that our business is protected. Dapat po sana parang mas madali kahit micro businesses kaya tong i-implement sa sari-sari store lang po. Kailangan natin siyang i-protect. Ano yung una nyong gagawin kapag yung store nyo is located sa flood?
Oo nga.
Flood prone siya.
Oo.
So anong ginagawa natin doon? Aantay ba tayo? Magsasandbag ba tayo during
Nandiyan na
yung
yung
water, yung flood o yung tubig?
oo.
No, it has to be like dapat ready na alin yung dapat na itaas na. Para naman hindi lang losses. Buti kung ang business natin okay lang mga waterproof.
Oo.
Na parang gano'n na okay lang. Kung ang infrastructure nyo like us, BPO, kailangan namin i-protect our IT infrastructure.
Oo nga.
Dapat
Oo.
ang connection namin is not parang
Stable.
pag ulan lang,
Stable.
pag wind lang, cannot sustain the wind. So paano na kami mag-ooperate? The world is waiting for us in terms of services.
Service,
So
oo.
parang dapat several telco ang meron kami. May
Ayan.
radio wave na, may fiber optic pa, may lahat, everything. So, para one after the other kapag may nagda-down, walang
May
business
redundancy.
disruption.
Oo.
It has to operate as is.
Wow.
May it not be physical.
Marami akong nakuhang concept. Unang-una,
Oo.
in case of disaster, continuity does not only depend on safeguarding our people. We have to safeguard the assets.
Yes.
However, to do that, it requires a complex
Plan.
plan.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
It has
And
to.
of course, here comes the problem. Pag complex na, wala na masyadong gusto or yung understanding ng supposed to people na gagawa nito medyo nawawala.
Oo.
So, you have to simplify.
Yes po.
Yes.
So, yan ang pinakaano mo ngayon to simplify this.
Solution.
Yes.
To assure continuity of business
Operation.
continuity.
Yes, business operation. Yes, exactly po, Sir Diggs. In fact, kaya po, yeah, of course, very opportunity po to share the Dietrich, the Dietrich Shield toolkit. Meron kaming ginawa, sir, that would help even the micro enterprises talaga. Kasi with the complex structure and mga information, mga ano yung gagawin bago, during, on the spot of that disaster and post.
then
So,
after.
madami siya. So, parang to help us, para hindi tayo masyadong ma-stop sa ano pa man, we try this. That's why parang kung mabibigyan ng opportunity, I think the video one can be played para makita nyo yung concept, paano namin to ginawa.
Aha.
So, it would really help us. I'd understand the importance of business to have the DRR plan.
Alright.
Okay.
So, halatun ta si technical po para ma-play po itong video 1. Alright.
Yes po.
So, meantime, our technical is preparing. Na-mention po ni Miss Gigi itong so yung kaimportansyahan kang pagpe-preparar, lalo na po itong mga minsan unforeseen event, acts of God. So, yan. Okay. So, hilingon ta po ang video 1.
Sa isang iglap, pwedeng matigil ang negosyo. Kaya kailangan may plano. D-Tricks ang sagot dyan. Una, tutulungan ka ng D-Tricks na malaman kung ano ang mga posibleng panganib sa negosyo mo. Bagyo ba? Baha? Lindol? O volcanic activities? Well, hindi na kailangan manghula. Tutok agad sa kung ano ang tamang hakbang. Sunod, gagawa ka ng simple pero solid na plano para sa tatlong yugto. Bago dumating ang sakuna. Habang nangyayari ito, at pagkatapos nito, paano kayo makakabalik agad sa operasyon? Step by step. Madaling sundan. Tapos, iset up na ang mga dapat gawin kapag may emergency. Sino ang gagawa, anong mga dapat gawin at kailan? Kaya kapag may dumating na sakuna, alam na ng team mo ang tamang dalaw. Yan ang sistema ng D-Tricks. Malinaw. Kumpleto. Sulit sa bulsa. Laging handa. Magplano ng matalino. Kumilos agad. Bumangon ng mas matatag.
Yep. Thank you.
Okay.
Makikita niyo, sir, simplified siya.
Yes,
And effective, and for me, it's the value of money, very ano din siya, cost efficient.
Okay. The structure of the program seems to be simple, medyo simple. Ang iniisip ko ngayon is, how do you put substance to this plan, no? Kasi meron kang pre-disaster,
Real time.
and then
And post.
post-disaster. And I think the complexity there would come in the form of the uniqueness of every business na sa iyong tutulungan. So how do you address it?
The system po, sir, is parang, sabi ko nga, tailored fit to.
Yes, tailored fit.
The system would help you identify the hazard, the threats, and even the solutions. Because apparently, hindi lahat ng mga approaches natin or action natin, response natin are all the same. Like, for example, yung action natin or yung responses, yung plan natin for Lindol is not the same with typhoon.
Of course.
And these are mostly yung mga nami-met nating disasters. But for other businesses, even long power outages is a disaster already.
Yes.
So parang dapat kailangan din namin, with that system, we can help you that. So yun nga lang po, there would be like two things. Yung D-Tricks po kasi meron siyang two phases. Parang self-paced po siya. Kapag pwede nyo po siyang, kayo mismo, you can understand it, you can do it without me orienting you everything. But yun nga, as part of our advocacy, i-help namin kayo. Pero yung matrix na yon, dahil simplified siya, madali po siyang maintindihan. But for us to identify very concrete actions sa business po nyo, or business ng mga kanegosyo natin, mga kanegosyo team natin, we are definitely open for consultancy, for assistance, for orientations, yun po.
Alright.
So, what will happen here is D-Tricks or your organization shall be providing the general concepts and then ideas, but the course of action to be taken shall mainly depend on the owner himself.
Yes po. But again, meron part po kasi, sir, ng package is kung titingnan natin, meron na siya. Pwede ninyong gawin. Pwede nyo namang baguhin.
So may guide na.
Yes. In fact po, ano siya, it's a complete comprehensive but simplified. Compre pero simplified tool siya. Hindi lang siya yung tool, yung mismong mga action po is nandun na. It's just that again, may baka dahil hindi naman general, halos specific na din yung linagay namin, sir. Kaya nga po tailored fit siya. Pero still nasa MSMEs kung i-adapt niya yon or kailangan pa ng mga revisions.
So in short, parang for any given situation, merong menu of
Opo.
actions na pwede mong gamitin. If this happens, ito ang pwede mong gamitin.
Yes po.
If this happens, ito ang one. So ganon.
Yes po. Kaya nakita nyo yung kanina sa video, there is that pre at madami dyan na action items. And hindi lang po siya, since hindi naman natin madidiscuss entirely yung toolkit, sir.
Yes,
Yung
sir.
toolkit kasi, sir, it comes with flowcharts. Kaya makikita mo doon, example ko na lang si Gray Mouse po, sir, is that, sabi ko nga, meron palang mga announcement or si Pag-asa magsasabi pa lang na may mag-LPA tayo. Hindi pa siya pumapasok sa PAR. But I already activated our ad hoc committee, our OSH and DRR committee, for all of us to monitor all the advisories. Kasi kapag first district siya or third district siya, may mapaparalyze akong staff. Either hindi siya makapasok for that. So I have to think of a better solution for that. Either i-work from home siya. Kung hindi naman siya work from home, may camping ba? Anong ibig sabihin ng camping? Before the disaster strikes, nasa office na siya. Para responsible din, kumbaga, the organization or the company should be definitely responsible of housing, sheltering the team to make sure that the operation is undisrupted. So,
Tama.
a lot of that po, nandun na siya sa Dietrich. Pero, again, depende sa businesses. Kasi like, for sari-sari store, ano yung, pwede natin yun ayusin, ano yung mga hazards and risk, and ano yung mga dapat i-protect din. But for like BPOs, eto din siya, and other, for schools, actually, sir, pwede din. So, we do cater DRR plans and emergency responses for school. So, marami na din po, even the MDRRMO, nag-avail po ng Dietrich because they want to check or integrate or complement the Dietrich shields that we've done, the toolkit, to their existing DRRs. Yun
Okay.
yun.
Sigurado na kung pa kitang manunodan other than the infos that we have already received. So, mabalik po kita
Yes,
after
yes,
kang
Commercial.
Patara-tara.
An oras hatod sa Indocang Optin Lutein Capsule. Alagaan ang paningin sa tulong ng Optin. Kitang-kita ang kalusugan ng mata.
Plemex for Kids. Mommies, agapan agad ang ubo at plemang nakabara. Pambatang lagundi. Plemex!
Liver Aid Silimarine Capsule. Ang good drinks at good food, perfect combo. Isama pa ang Liver
hindi naman
Aid.
kita mawawala
It's
sa
liver
atin.
lover, boys. Artisan Joint Supplement. Bumabagal ang galaw dahil sa joint pain at arthritis. Mag-Artisan.
Plemex. Pag may ubo o hika, Plemex agad. Basta lagundi, Plemex.
Pre, makinig ka muna. Payong kaibigan lang ha. Work hard, play hard. Yan ang motto ko dati. Pero nakakapagod din pala katagalan. Sa gitna ng lahat ng mga puyat, inom at pagkain ng masasarap, kasama na ang oily at fatty foods, kailangan pa ring bantayan ang kalusugan. Tamang kontrol ang kailangan. Katuwang ko, ang Liver Aid. May Silimarin na maaring makatulong, protektahan ang atay. Cheers to more good times. Be a liver lover. Mahalagang paalala, ang Liver Aid ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin paggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Ang good drinks at good food, perfect combo. Isama pa ang Liver Aid para sa kalusugan ng atay. Mabibili sa mga leading drugstores nationwide.
Nong Speed Shop, siguradong panalo ka dito. Nong Speed Shop, sigurado ang kita mo dito. Punta na kay Kuya Nong, tsak na presyong pangmasa dito. Saan ka na dito ka na, maraming ang pagpipilian. Punta na kay Kuya Nong, tsak na walang pagsisisihan. Mga murang paninda dito na matatagpuan. Huwag nang humanap ng iba dito, ang murang pamilihan. Ang daming choice, kat ng manok na klaradong ang papatok na siyang gustong lutuin ng ating yung mga cook. Longganisa, Bologna, Skilis at tortapa. Isabay pa ang tusino, lahat to gawang Pampanga. Osyo siomai is the best at try mo ang french fries na fresh. Subukan din ang hamat-hadog, sure nakikita ka best. Ay Kuya Nongs, you are the best, sigurado na ang success. Ano pa ang hinihintay, halina tayo mga best.
Piolo Pascual po. Sa ubo at hika, may Plemex Forte Syrup and bottles. Pero para sa ginhawang kailangan agad, may Plemex Forte Capsule and Blister Pack. Madaling bitbitin, kayang ibulsa. Gawa sa natural na lagundi na tumutunaw at nagpapalabas ng plema. Convenient na, ginhawa pa. Plemex Forte Lagundi in Capsule. Basta lagundi, Plemex. Easy!
Vitex Segundo L is the generic name of Plemex Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Mga tugang, abangan ta ang pinakabagong programa digdi sa DCGB Radio. Ang programang mahatod ning mga impormasyon, mga istoryang kapupurutan nin inspirasyon na naidulot kan pagtatrabangan nganing maiangat ang pagkabuhay kan mga Bicolanong paraomang benepisyaryo. Mag-iribahan kita. Alas 10:30 hasta alas 11 ng pagkaaga. Magantabay asin maghinanyog sa kape asin baretang agraryo.
Kung ikaw ay edad 50 pataas katulad ko, may mataas na ang risk ng panlalabo ng paningin. Mas challenging ang pang-araw-araw na gawain tulad ng pagbabasa, pagsusulat, at pagmamaneho. Ang Optin ay may lutin na maaari makatulong sa kalusugan ng mata, nilalabanan ng epekto ng glaucoma, macular degeneration at katarata. Kitang-kita ang kalusugan.
Mabibili ang Optin sa mga pangunahing butika nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang Optin ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Ang leptospirosis ay nakakapinsala sa bato, utak at atay na pwedeng maging nakamamatay. Hindi lamang sa daga nakukuha ang sakit na ito. Kaya mag-ingat sa mga iinuming tubig o gagamiting pangluto. Huwag lumusong sa tubig o putik na pwedeng kontaminado ng dumi, ihi o dugo ng hayop na may sakit. Maglinis, magmasid, mag-ingat. Labanan ng leptospirosis. Kung may posibleng exposure, konsultayo sa pinakamalapit na health facility. Para sa libreng konsulta at reseta, tumawag sa DOH Hotline 1555, press 2.
Ano ang latest? Ano ang latest sa mundo kan business? Ano ang latest sa mundo kan business?
Anyway, maray na hapon po, mabalik kita sa programang Negosyo Time na. Trabaho, trabaho, trabaho. Actually po, Sir Diggs, gusto ta lang pong i-informar ang sa tuyang mga ka-Negosyo Time na may pigtaw po ki data ang Department of Labor and Employment. Sabi ninda, as of August 2025, ang Pilipinas po nagkakaigwa ki 96.1% or 50.10 million ang empleyado na. And then 3.9 or 2.03 million ang unemployed. Dito lang na porsyento 3.9% and so 10.7% daw or itong 5.38 million ang mga underemployed. Kaya sa labor force participation, so rate ta po naabot kay 65.1% or itong 52.13 ang empleyado and ito pong so unemployed. So with that po, Sir Diggs, kaya gusto tang aramon kumpira na ngunyan sa population ta, ini po so data na tigtao po kang dole. So ngunyan maray na bareta, inita 96.1% da may mga trabaho sa Pilipinas. And sige po, mabalik kita duman sa announcement sa mga naghahanap ki trabaho. Ang LCC Mall po, dakul po ang pigahanap nindang empleyado or kung interesado po kamong mag-apply, ang mga pighahanap po ninda itong mall marketing specialists, finance controllers, financial analysts, receiving clerks, audit associates, tsaka cashiers po. So if ever po may interesado, pwede ka mo magduman sa HR, magsubmit kan sa indo po na application, pwede magduman po sa LCC Legazpi or pwede man po sa LCC Naga. Or pwede man ka mo magbisita sa Peso Daraga or Peso Legazpi or connect with us para i-refer me po kamo. And then ang Daily Overland po, naghahanap sinda ki Waybill clerks, tadakol po, operation officer, IT tech staff, service admin, chief mechanic, and ito pong supiga-apod nindang South Road drivers. So if ever po may interesado, pwede man kamo magpadarakan sa indong application sa doffhr@gmail.com or magduman po sa Daily Overland office. Pwede man po sa FB, mag-check po kamo kang sa indang page, pwede man po kamo mag-inquire kung paano duman po. Or pwede kamo mag-submitir kan sa indong application sa Peso Legazpi or connect with us para po i-refer me po kamo. So back to you, Sir Diggs.
Okay, so yan po ang business.
Dagdag ako, sir.
At
Trabaho
Okay.
din.
Trabaho.
Sorry, Grey Miles is also po looking for an IT officer. Urgent po ini. IT officer, junior graphic designers, virtual assistants. We also po need mobile app developer, then full stack developer. So connect with me, email me, or email at jobs@greymouse.com.au. Ang AU niya po is Australia. So please po send po kamo ning mga resume.
okay, so yan po ang opportunities for
Yes.
employment sa mga interesado po, sa may mga kapasidad. Pag-una nindo qualified ka mo, pwede pong mag-apply.
Opo.
Pero sa mga pag-una nindo hihugakan magtrabaho,
Magnegosyo.
Magnegosyo na. Okay. Kasubago, naaramat akong ang unang-una itong experience ni Gigi sa area na ini. So sa imong experience, ano ang reception kang mga negosyante
Oho.
sa business continuity planning or sa resiliency?
When you rate 1 to 10 pera
Oh,
pala.
dahil siyempre gusto
Iyon
ng
nga ni,
experience eh.
oo.
Is it being taken seriously by our businessmen?
Iyan po ang ano ko. Siguro, they will feel the number 9 or 10. Ngunya na nailininda sa at large
sa pangangaipo.
social media. Bako lang sa TV kung paano nag-strike ang sarong kalamidad or
Yes.
disaster sa tuya. They will definitely react once it strikes, right?
Mhm.
Pero sabi ta nga ni, during disaster, we should not react but rather act. Diba po? So, dapat
Proactive.
Mag-hero na,
Oo. So, sa sinabi ni ma'am na parang in a range of 1 to 10, siguro po, ang reception nila, receptivity nila, bako pa kasing grabe. Pero, there are companies po that it actually prioritize this one. Lalo na siguro po sa mga stable. Kasi, abo nindang malugi. Diba po? They've been into this. So, if they reach this high, so, abo nindang dakula ang losses or ayaw nilang merong losses. So, ang goal natin po is to, of course, balance po as much as possible. Mas madami pong businesses sa baba. Yung mga yung MSMEs natin, mas madami kaysa. Iilan lang naman yung mga halos established. Pero, again, who knows? Not all established established companies have this prepared masyado. Because in fact, sabi ko nga, madami din po na policy compliant lang. Yung typical po na yung disaster plan and emergency response nila are actually on paper. That would mean a dead document. Dead document is literally and figuratively. Hindi nila po ino-open. Where in fact, it has to be, kung meron po tayong employees handbook, as much as possible, si mga company dapat ganun din. Lagi nila po tong parang, this is a living document. This should not be part just of a policy, but part of the operational activity ng company. Because hindi lang naman kasi typhoon or earthquake, meron tayong floods, monsoon lang, flooding na tayo agad. So, definitely climate change talaga siya. So, kailan tayo magiging prepared if wala tayo nito?
Tama.
So that's the receptivity dapat tumaas to.
Tumaas.
Yes, kaya nga na example ko, even DRRM officer nag-reach out sa amin to see how this D-Trix toolkit would help their communities. Kasi it can be definitely integrated. So, yung sinabi ko kanina, sir, yung parang customized na yung mga actionable items doon. It's either kukunin na lang nila yon or aalisin nila yon. It's actually provided in the toolkit already. So, if again, pwede din tayong mag-video too, sir, para makita
Sige
natin.
Okay, sige.
Alright, halatunta ang video 2.
For years, we've been involved in community disaster planning. We trained communities, schools, and households. But one thing kept bothering us. Businesses were often left out of the picture because of the assumption that they'll figure it out, that they have resources. But we saw the truth. Most didn't. There's a big gap that we feel we need to bridge. No plan, no system, just lost revenue, chaos, and risk to their people. So we studied how disasters impact businesses, identified the exact steps to protect them, extract the community disaster response's best practices, and put them together to create one powerful tool for businesses. That's how D-Trix was born. And today, it's already helping companies stay prepared and resilient. It's a simple tool that helps any business, big or small, build their own disaster preparedness and work continuity plan in an hour. No seminars, no consultants. Just real protection for your people, your assets, and your future. You don't prepare because disaster might happen. You prepare because business must continue, no matter what. D-Trix Disaster Shield is here to help you.
Thank you, sir. Kumbaga, even, kaya sabi ko po medyo simplified, sir. Kasi sa iba po, the toolkit can be a checklist.
Yes.
Kung,
Tama.
di ba po kita as part ng safety ma'am, during our training is that, like, meron tayong checklist. Like, for example, ang IT namin, though they are part of IT, they are actually also in charge of generator namin. So may mga checklist kami if meron yung mga alin yung mga dapat i-prepare prior, during, and even after.
So,
it
nasabi mo kanina, what is important there is, alam natin what needs to be done,
Yes.
who needs to do it, sino bang kailangan gumawa niyan, at kailan dapat gagawin.
Yes po. Dapat kailangang may nagkukumit.
Yes.
Kasi wala namang gagawa if yung plano meron, but no one is doing it.
Yes.
So talagang dapat active and committed yung mga tao na
So may
gagawa
ownership dapat ang bawat isa sa
Yes po.
member ng
nun.
organization.
In fact po, sir, di ba, ang DOLE, ang OSH, laging nag-i-invite po, Ma'am Honey, for BOSH training, Basic Occupational
libre
Safety
pa
and
nga
Health
sa karamihan.
training. Kahit po tayo sa house, mga sa sari-sari, we should attend or we must attend kasi yun, kailangan din natin ng mga like for example, pag may business ka, kailangan mo din ng fire extinguisher. Pero hindi mo
Human
alam
agad,
naman
ano?
kung paano
Human
yun
agad.
i-operate. So yun, kung part din siya ng compliance ng business permit natin. So we should also adhere to this kind of processes.
Saka maganda yung sinabi mo kanina na we have to be prepared not because calamities will surely strike,
Will happen, yes.
will happen,
Oo, tama.
but because we need to continue
The-
operating.
yes po, the business.
So yan ang maganda mindset dapat ng mga negosyante.
Correct,
no?
correct.
Mga
correct.
typhoon proof na nga ni po baga mga paratindata, right? 'Di ba pag nag-uura ay pag may mga typhoon,
Oho.
ang unang nagbubukas is the market, 'di ba po? Halos kasi lahat tayo affected, lahat tayo kakain.
Yes,
So,
so
but then paano din natin sila ma-protect? Not just them but their business as well.
their businesses. So
Okay.
So, yun, sana makita siya ng, of course, ng government, private, and even international helping groups na tingnan din. And kung hindi naman po, tayo as business sector or business communities, tayo, we have to have that for us to continue the business.
yes.
Ayun, oo. Actually, Sir Diggs, kasi baka ang iisipon po kang ibang mga negosyante, lalo na itong mga Saradit Mansana, itong about sa solution, ito pong baga nindo offer. Ito po, Miss G, sino po ang pwede ka itong magamit ka itong toolkit na ito? Pwede ba itong madali man lang ba? Sige po, explain mo.
Yes po. Gabus po. Lahat po tayo. All kinds and types of business organizations can use the toolkit. The matrix itself is very self-explanatory, self-paced. Of course, hindi naman totally no need of somebody to orient. Pero sa akin kasi, if you are also budget conscious,
Oo.
pwede naman po na ikaw mismo, kasi kung ang business mo talaga is parang stable naman at kaya mo naman ma-implement, like for example, you have like 5 to 10 people and half of that is trained to do this, definitely parang the matrix or the toolkit can stand alone. Pero kapag gusto mo naman na you are really at the start at gusto mo talagang karirin to, we're also open for an orientation and consultancy. Definitely, kung meron man tong mga prices, definitely just reach out sa amin.
Talaga?
Hindi po siya issue. The advocacy here is to really to be prepared to have this tool and implement that tool on your daily lives. Kasi hindi lang naman disaster po lang ang tinitingnan natin. So we always have to protect our lives, protect our assets, and the entire business po.
Actually po, Miss G, may nag-chat digding. Very interesting po daw iyan. If you would mind us asking daw, mga guraan sa inda, para at least aram ninda su idea kung gusto ninda mag-engage ka itong itong services,
So,
itong
itong toolkit
solution.
ang pinahaplos.
So toolkit, itong
Kung gurano.
kung gurano po ito.
All right. For the toolkit actually, hindi lang yung toolkit, talagang nag-cost ito of, hindi naman sa we really have to attend so many things, kaya kung bibilin siya sa mga mainstream and highly commercialized, na hindi kagaya namin na we were like part of our advocacy and been with social action and the rest. Parang alam naman natin, sir, ang commercial papers nito, mahal talaga. So, thousands talaga yan.
Yes.
But this time, with our, with what happened to Cebu and halos Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, for MSMEs, we're offering it's for nakakalulang discount or offer. This is a best offer for everyone. Siguro, tawag nito, yung parang ang 888 is a promo for us. Pag hindi naman po, meron naman kaming consultancy na yung kaya i-afford ng company or ng organization. So, available po to ang process. It can be, you can visit our page, D-Tricks, sa Facebook. You can message us. Automatic may prompt dyan. Kung anong mga queries nyo, somebody would attend. And even myself, I can reply to an email. So, yun po. Anytime, pwede doon sa Facebook page natin.
Tapos if ever paano doon mag-purchase? Paano?
Yeah, basically, scan QR. Ano na
May
tayo?
QR code.
IT na tayo, scan QR.
Paperless.
And there is like a GCash. So, upon confirmation, automatic, the tools will be sent to you po. There are, meron tayong PDF form yan. We have the PowerPoint. We have other Excel tools that you can use. And kung mahirap pa, call us.
Ayun.
Opo, you can call us.
Very
Mas madali.
accommodating.
Opo.
24/7 man pati ano po.
Yes po.
Mas-
Kasi it's a real time. Ako kasi, I applied ko to, sir, to be honest. Very very ginagamit talaga siya, not just for Graymos, but other organizations that do this. And yun nga, lalo na ang bias ko lang is to focus on MSMEs. At lahat tayo, business continues.
Tama. Oo. Kanina po baga Miss G, Sir Diggs, na-mention ni Miss Gigi ang about occupational safety and health. Ini man po bagang D-Tricks. Anong pagkakaiba po kay ni Miss G para maaraman po kang publiko?
Okay.
Kasi igual lang nga kami diding tig-train na kami kang dole, libre na ito sa muya. Pero anong pagkakaiba kang duwa? Itong Occupational Health and Safety Program na tigpo-provide kang gobyerno and ini pong D-Tricks solution. Sige.
Yeah, thank you, Ma'am Honey. Si OSH, inutin ko si OSH. OSH, Occupational Safety and Health. So, meaning to say, talagang duman siya sa welfare ng staff. So, duman talaga siya
oo,
nakafocus.
mananggad sa
Yes.
tao.
While D-Tricks, staff, asset, and business as a whole. So, yes, na-mention sometimes sa OSH na ganito yon sa businesses, but not much on the impact sa business. But rather to protect, kasi nga, occupational safety and health. Kung ang sample dyan is, yung company ba, ang workspace niya ba, is really, like, for example, for BPO, sir, ang kanya bang mga chairs are ergonomic. So, meron kaming mga, there should be like a protocols for that or proper design for that. Nakafocus siya doon sa mga health hazards na pwedeng makuha ng mga employee while working.
While working.
Yes po. So, that's actually the bias of the OSH for that. And talagang gano'n naman talaga yon. And with D-Tricks naman kasi, if we could just mend everything, blend everything, the tao, us, the safety of the team, plus the business resiliency nito. So that's why we will also protect the asset. Kasi this time, you really have to have that checklist. Ano yung kailangan na dapat hindi affected? Magda-down to kapag ito yung na-affect ng typhoon. So there will be no business if we don't protect our assets.
So,
Mananggad, ano?
tama bang
Totoo,
sabihin na
mananggad.
yung OS is just a part
Of
the
the DRR.
the
actually.
DRR?
Opo.
Yung mananggad, yung mananggad.
Yes po.
Kaya
Kasi all
holistic.
encompassing yung DRR.
Tsaka sir, yung D-Tricks naman kasi, pinasok niya pa yung OSH nun kasi because of the compliance natin sa mga requirements po. But then, yun nga, bihira yung talagang unang ipoprotect yung business. Hindi naman sa last siyang pinoprotect ng mga business owners, but it was like, kung may hole ka, it's just become the part of the whole. Hindi talaga siya yung priority mo. Pero although, kung titingnan mo, this is our life and blood. Kapag, business should be business. But again, this time, because we have OSH, we should weigh prioritize also the, 'di ba sabi nila yung labor code is actually a very biased to the
To
employee.
labor.
Opo,
Yes,
favorable to
Yes.
labor or to the workforce.
So
syempre.
parang ganito din siya. We really have to protect the lives of the team and Pero but then again, sometimes and most of the times actually nagsasuffer talaga yung mga yung business natin,
Yung business.
assets,
Oo, mananggal.
yung mga losses and revenue
Mhm.
nito,
Mananggal.
yun. Na-affect
Oo.
talaga. Like for example, pag nag-strike din naman yung typhoon, after that, hindi naman nag-stop ang business, lalo na kapag may brownout. Kami, just to be honest, 10,000 a day just for
Wow.
8 hours or 6 hours genset operation.
Oo
Oh.
nga.
Additional cost.
Additional,
Add-on
yes.
cost.
Kasi hindi naman natin pwedeng isisi sa Aleco na walang kuryente. So, kami, no downtime, sir. Split seconds lang na mag-off, power off si may trips lang ang Aleco, on agad si
Yes,
genset. So,
Yun.
walang no downtime. So, it causes us a lot.
Oo.
And that thing, kailangan siyang may maintenance din yan. So,
Siyempre,
kailangan siya talaga
oo.
i-protect in general.
Oo.
Yun
Miss
siya.
G, sa operation nindo, mas na-appreciate nindo ang nagno-notify syempre ang Aleco bago mag-brownout or day na kamo, naka-ready na kamo kan anytime. Sige.
Actually po, dahil 24/7 ang operation ni Gray Mouse, may nagmo-monitor po ng Aleco advisory.
Talaga
If
naman,
there
ah.
is like an outage, kahit 1 hour siya or to 12 hours, 6 hours, may plan A, B, C na kami niyan. So, like for
Ayun.
example, since 24/7, kapag isa lang naman yung staff to do monitoring paggabi, kasi 24/7, sir, we're actually monitoring a US client.
Oo nga.
Sir, hindi kami mag-ooperate. Fiji will cover us.
Mm.
Kasi we need to rest our genset at the same
Oh.
time ready to operate in the morning. So that's
Oo
how
nga.
powerful the DRR plan is or these things. Kasi and most of the time, sir, lahat ng naka-department namin should actually attended or certified safety officer as well. Kasi dapat alam nila
Alam
to.
nila.
Virtual assistant ka, agent ka, customer service ka, but you have to be trained on turning on the genset.
Mhm.
So lahat kami
Lahat,
po, meron
oo.
kaming ganon.
Oo.
And even turning on servers, kasi alin yung kapag naman sir inon yung server at merong failover,
Oo.
IT naka-remote.
Naka-remote.
Kahit
na.
wala na po siya physically sa office.
Sa office.
Naka-remote po
Oo.
siya. It's
Mawala
either
ka,
Fiji
no?
office, Australia, or
Kumbaga,
yung on-site namin.
Back up. Salo-salo. Ano po?
Because again,
Oo.
business continues.
Yes.
So, ano yung yung contingency planning nyo matindi? It
Yeah.
covers practically all areas at marami
Meaning-
pang redundancy.
Oo.
Ganon.
Yes, sir.
Meaning, Sir Diggs, ang brownout sign dati consider din as disaster.
Yes po. Yes po.
Disaster.
Wala pa nga yung politiko dyan.
Money-wise,
Wala pa sa
yes
politiko.
po. Financial-wise, sir, talagang malaki siya. Lalo na kapag long hours. Sorry, Aleco, pero it's hurting us. Kasi no downtime nga kami.
Ayun.
Probably yung imagine for 12 hours kung meron
Yung
kang 10 to
manangat,
15,000 or 10 to 20,000 konsumo sa diesel, that's actually a month salary of
One.
a VA. One VA.
One VA, virtual assistant.
Diba? So, that's already a losses from
Yung
us.
managad. And na-mention mo kanina na may nagmo-monitor pag ma-brownout. Siguro, pati ito din na pagtaas kang gasolina. Ano, Sir Diggs? Pigsasabay na ito naman sa contingency, ninda.
Ako po ang nagmo-monitor ng gasoline every Tuesday.
Kaya
so
pala,
so I would know if I will purchase after that Tuesday increase or after
Or before.
the oils reverse.
Or before.
Opo.
Kaya palang Ternica nagdadangog kay Sir Henry din,
Yes po.
and other DCGV.
Ang morning breakfast ko,
programs.
sorry, si Sir Hen. Ang end ko naman pagbanggi, depende kung yung rosary, that's it.
Ayos, po. Oo, wow.
Tapos at the middle, eto.
Okay, magayon ng topic tayo ng contingency planning, continuity planning. Pero ang question ko sa is kasi let's admit it. Karamihan sa mga documents na ginigibo ka mga negosyante, lalo sa mga saradit, they are being done not for anything else, but for compliance sake.
Totoo nga.
Kaya nga nangyari
Oo.
yung mga dead documents, sabi mo kasabago, dead documents, no?
Namamatay din pala, ano.
Hindi, for compliance,
Compliance,
more on the
oo.
regulatory requirements.
Tama po, tama.
Not so much
In
on
practice,
not so much on the thing na pwede maginibo para sa negosyo. So
Tama.
paano mo kaya ika-counter, no? Na mindset ka sa tuyang mga negosyante.
Siguro, sir, sa experience me of being in the grassroots,
Mm-hmm.
we will never stop trying, we will never stop educating, we will never stop convincing, especially, siguro hindi mahirap ma-convince ang business because they don't want to have their losses. Kapag
Syempre,
mo
oo.
malugi, you have to really be active and participate
Yes.
and gagawin mo siyang, hindi naman Bible, but gagawin mo siyang primary document. Para hindi mo ma-feel na document siya, it has to be your part ng daily life mo. Kasi
Kumbaga,
yun nga, the
way of
point
life
is,
mo na
Way
yan.
of life na yan eh. Oo.
like si DCGV, like pag may typhoon, di ba, round the clock, 24/7, hanggang sa mawara na yung battery ko.
Kaya man
But
ang
really,
ganun,
I really have, I really do that. Yes.
Maurag. Oo. Actually, kami man sa SLTCFI, pag they pwede ang face-to-face, may other option kita
Yes,
dyan.
module.
Kasi kay puwantang i-deliver sa mga dapat ang serbisyo para sa satong mga kliyente.
Okay.
Exactly.
Siguro hagana na si Gigi kang sa iyang message sa tuyang mga paradangog.
Yes.
All right. Again, siguro my message is that first, thank you so much. I've shared my Gramos family experience talaga on in terms of disaster and disaster preparedness and business continuity plan. Sorry, kailangan namin siyang i-share sa inyo because sabi ko nga, business must continue. So talagang no downtime kami. So similar din. Yung may mga branches, you really have to activate that. It's a matter of who calls the shot. And for that who calls the shot, dapat may malinaw kayo, simplified, effective disaster plan or emergency response document or if not document, plan talaga na kaya nyong gawin anytime. So wala namang mawawala kung continue siya i-practice, gawin, mag-drill, attend a lot of trainings na mga free naman, and for businesses to hindi magkaroon ng losses, we really have to part to ng pag-care sa organization or sa business. So one, don't wait for disaster to strike, but rather to act, not react.
Not react.
Yes.
Alright. Okay.
Always contact me. Siguro pwede naman. It's either, ano ba yung Facebook namin? Dtrix or number. We can also share your number. Our number siguro is, paano ba? It's 0917-183-9508.
Yan. Alright. And could be searched syempre sa Facebook. Ang
Yes po,
Dtrix.
yung Dtrix po page
Yan,
natin.
so follow.
Follow nyo para mas madali kayong ma-provide na ng information.
Okay. Sige po.
Okay, Han.
Sige po, on behalf po of the Albay Chamber of Commerce and Industry and other organizations na yaon po sa likod ta, salamat po, Miss G, sa imong pagpaunlakan sa
Welcome.
imong prowess pag-abot sa disaster preparedness. And of
Salamat.
course, yaon na nag-aabang ng mga fans ni Sir Henry. Nagsusuro si Irip naman sa tuyang VP. Yan po, sa susunod po naman po. Sige po, Sir Diggs.
Okay, di naman po nagtatapos sa tuyang edisyon kang negosyo time lang ngunit na simana. Maghiringan po giraray kita next week, same time, same day, dito po sa programang
Negosyo time na. Thank you sa technical.
Pahudyan, permi numero uno, ora mismo sa gabos, asing kami permi alisto pag sinabi na urago daing iba kami naan sa tahaw kang mga pag-ius krisis nagtara